Maths on Demand. In this video, we are going to learn about the basics of multiplication. Multiplying is really repeatedly adding things together. To do this, we can put things into groups and then count everything. This is 3 groups of 4. Or we could repeatedly add the number until we get our goal. Or we could memorize basic times table facts. And this will help us get our answers quickly. Let's have a look at each method briefly. In maths, when you see this, it means times. It also means multiply and lots of or groups of. So, 3 times 2 means 3 groups of 2. What does that look like? Well, there's a group of 2. There's a second group of 2, and there's our third group of 2. That makes 1, 2, 3 groups of 2, and if we count them all up, we see the answer is 6. 4 times 3 means 4 groups of 3. That would look like 1, 2, 3, 4. Groups of 3. And we could count these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4 times 3 is 4 groups of 3, and that equals 12. How about 7 groups of 2? Well, 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups of 2, 4 groups of 2, 5 groups, 6 groups, and 7 groups of 2. That's a lot of groups to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 in total. So 7 times 2 is 14. But there's a special rule that says we can switch the numbers around and get the same answer when we are multiplying. So I could also do 2 groups of 7, which would become something like that. We have 7 here and 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Same answer, just a different way of arranging our counters into groups. So you can decide which one is easier to do and then do it that way. Or we could use repeated addition. Let's do the same questions and see how that works. When you see times, since multiply is to repeatedly add, you can use adding to get your answers. 3 times 2 means 3 lots of 2, which is the same as 2 plus 2 plus 2. And that's adding 2 3 times. The answer, of course, is 6, because 2 and 2 is 4, 4 and 2 is 6. You should be great at adding after all our addition videos. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 is easy. And 4 times 3 is the same as 4 lots of 3. And that is the same as 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is adding 3 4 times. 3 and 3 is 6. 6 and 3 is 9. 9 and 3 is 12. And now we got our 7 times 2, which is 7 lots of 2, or adding 2 7 times. There's 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And our answer, we kind of ran out of space for, is 2 and 2 is 4, 4 and 2 is 6, 6 and 2 is 8, 8 and 2 is 10, 10 and 2 is 12, 12 and 2 is 14. That's what 7 times 2 equals. But we also know we can switch the numbers around and get the same answer for multiplying. So 2 times 7 means 2 lots of 7, which is just 7 plus 7. Add 7 to itself. Add 7 2 times. 7 and 7 is 14. And there you go. We've already done a whole series on times tables. So if you want help memorizing your times tables, head to that series. Well, that's all for this video. Head on over to the next video to learn how to use an algorithm for multiplying.